This is the homework video for Tuesday, 9/27/16. It's in your homework packet, and you need to go to Lesson 5, same page you went last night, but now you're going to do number 2. Remember to use a pen to correct your work. Remember also that cheating means you're giving up on yourself. It also means that future math classes will be a lot harder for you because you're not getting the practice you need to really understand the math at 8th grade. So no cheating. Okay, so what they told me is that Andre earned, after 2 hours he had $90, and after 5 hours he had $150. He's trying to buy a $350 computer. So the first thing I did is 90 divided by 2, which is 45, and 150 divided by 5, which is 30. And since I got different numbers every time, I realized that this is not a proportional relationship, which means he probably didn't start out with $0. He started out, he already had some money, but then he earns, when he babysits or does other work, he always earns the same amount of money. So it is linear. So it said that that means that I had to find out what the constant rate of change is so I can figure out how many weeks it is. So I just did a rough sketch. I don't really need to do this to find the slope, but this is one strategy for finding the slope. And I plotted roughly 290 and 5 150. I didn't worry about making it good. And then I drew a slope triangle. And remember that it's rise over run. So the rise from 90 to 50 is 60. Notice I'm looking at the y coordinates. And the run from 2 to 5 is 3. And then if I divide rise by run, 60 divided by 3 is 20. That means that's how much he earns when it says he always charges the same amount per hour. So he charges $20 per hour. Now what I did is I wrote down that I know at 5 hours he'll have $150. So I wanted to see how many hours he would have another 100, which would take him to 250. Well, I know that 20, the amount he earns per hour, times 5 hours is 100. So 150 plus 100 is 250. And then 5, add 5 is 10. So with another 5 hours, that's this 5 right here, he'll have 250, but he wants 350. So I just did that again, 20 times 5 again, added another 5 hours here, added another $100 here, and that's 350. So it's going to take him 15 weeks to get his total $350 he wants for the computer. Okay, homework is all done once again. I hope you gave it your best shot by yourself so that you can get smarter every night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night.